Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Tailwind UI kit from your designs and templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Tailwind UI kit from your designs and templates, begin by locating the source files in your project. Identify the Tailwind UI components or configuration files within your design setup. In most cases, these files will be in a folder labeled something like Components or UI. Open your project in a code editor or integrated development environment. Search for any references to Tailwind UI in your HTML or template files. These may appear as includes or imports at the top of your files. Carefully delete any lines that reference the Tailwind UI kit. Next, head to your CSS files or style sheets. Look for any Tailwind CSS classes that may have been added to your styles. Remove these classes from your elements. Now, navigate to your package manager. If you installed Tailwind UI via npm or yarn, you'll need to remove it from your dependencies. Use the command line to run the appropriate uninstall command. For npm, type npm uninstall at Tailwind UI/react or the relevant package name. For yarn, input yarn remove at Tailwind UI/react. After uninstalling, check your project's configuration files. You may need to look for any configurations related to Tailwind CSS. Make sure to remove those configurations carefully to ensure nothing breaks. Next, review your HTML templates. Replace any Tailwind UI components with alternative code or a different UI kit as necessary. Once you've made all necessary changes, save your files. Now, it's time to test your project. Run the project locally to ensure everything operates correctly. Check that components render without any issues. If you encounter any problems, revisit the steps to find any missing removals. Finally, clean up your project to ensure no leftover files remain. This completes the uninstallation of the Tailwind UI kit from your designs and templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.